Pag-usapan po natin itong si Colonel Odi Munggaw. Yung kanyang sinabi at kung ano ba ang repercussions ng kanyang sinabi. Hayaan po ninyong basahin ko verbatim yung kanyang message na pinadala niya privately in a group chat of Masons. In other words, meron pong unwritten rule that that is supposed to be between brothers only. Secret po yun hindi yun public. Okay, so this is what he said. Sabi niya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. May the peace and blessing and mercy of God be upon us all. Effective today, I, Colonel Odi Munggaw, O-10933 Infantry, MNSA, Philippine Army. With 34 years in active service, reaffirms my support to the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the state as mandated by the Constitution. As a Filipino, I am respectfully withdrawing my personal support to Mr. Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. He has lost his moral ascendancy to lead the armed forces as commander-in-chief and govern the Filipino people as a nation. Sa group chat po ito ng mga Mason, pinadala. Okay, it was not public. The first thing I did was ask, tanong mo nga, tignan mo nga, sabi ko kung nasa wall ni Colonel Odi, yung kanyang declaration. If he intended this to be a public declaration. Hindi po. It's a private message among brothers. It's a personal expression guaranteed by the Constitution. Okay? So ang tanong po is did he thereby commit a crime? Did he violate any armed forces regulation? Sa akin pong pananaw, no. Sabi ko nga po kanina, it is a personal expression guaranteed by the Constitution. Kanya lang po yun While reaffirming his loyalty to the Republic and to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, he is withdrawing his personal support to a person na sa kanyang pananaw ay wala ng moral ascendancy to lead us all. Marami po kasing issues kay Presidente, ayaw niyang harapin ng tumbukin niya talaga. Number one, nagda-drugs ka ba o hindi? Pa-hair follicle ka tapos ang usapan. Mastermind ka ba ng nakawan? Okay? Mastermind ka ba ng nakawan? May kinalaman ba yung pinsan mo? Harapin mo. May allegations May allegations against your cousin. And to yourself, Mr. President. Harapin nyo yun. Take them to court. Doon sila magpaliwanag. Do not brush aside evidence. Hindi po totoo na walang bisa ang statement ni Saldico. Mabisang-mabisa po yun. It stands. Kaya nga po negative trust rating nyo overall. Pero dito po sa NCR, negative 8 po kayo. That is a manifestation, very clear manifestation of loss of trust of the Filipino people sa iyo. The only way to regain it, face the issue. Yes, you have to face the issue. Yung po sinabi ni Gutesa, corroborated by the statement of Saldico, lahat po yan, totoo. Yung statement po ng pinsan mo, yes. All of this, ito po ang mga basihan sa aking pananaw kung bakit sinabi ni Colonel Munggaw na wala na akong tiwala sa Pangulo, I do not support him anymore. At dahil po sa maling pag-aakala ng mga nangaka-uniforme na hindi sila pwedeng maglahad ng kanilang sariling personal na opinyon, ng kanilang paglahad ng kanilang suporta, hindi po natin alam kung gaano karami yan, kung gaano kalawak. Pero tandaan po ninyo nung nakaraang eleksyon, talo ang mga kandidato ng administrasyon sa uniformed personnel. That in itself is a declaration of trust, of support. Yan. Ito lang po ang sabihin ko sa inyo. Si Colonel Odi Munggao, kung inyong dinitine, hindi po yan sumuko, yan ay nag-report for work, report back for work kasi naka second break po yan sa Christmas break. So when he reported back for work, he did not surrender. It was not surrender, it was reporting back for work. At kung siya po ay inyong dinitini ngayon, do not forget, he has the right to remain silent. He has the right to counsel of his choice. And if he cannot afford one, he should be provided with a lawyer. And never, never forget that if he is now under custodial investigation, if he is under detention, if he is being detained and is undergoing custodial investigation, he has the right to be assisted by counsel all the time. Anything you get, any evidence you secure from this investigation you are conducting internally, tandaan po ninyo, is going to violate Republic Act 7483. Matindi po ang penalty ng RA 7483. So you better do it right because the repercussion will be personal to those who are detaining him, to those who are violating his rights. Bigyan po ninyo ng pagkakataon. Hindi naman po nagkasala, wala naman po siyang crime. Wala rin po siyang violate. Ang may nag-violate po yung brother Mason namin na nagkalat ng private message na yan. Alright, so hindi po ninyo malalaman dahil kinikitil ninyo yung karapatan. Huwag po ninyo sabihin ang armed forces is sui generis because being a sui generis organization will not allow you to violate constitutional rights of every citizen. Naka-uniforme man po ang sundalo, ang pulis, lahat ng uniform personnel. They remain a Filipino and they remain covered by our Constitution. They have rights. Those must be protected. Those must be at all times be honored. Kaya po, tandaan ninyo, any evidence you have pursuant to a custodial investigation without the lawyer of his choice, without assisting him, they are not admissible in evidence and therefore you cannot sanction Colonel Munggao. Yun lang po, may 2 cents worth. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.